What's up? Welcome to Piggy Garage. Thanks so much for checking out another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Meguiar's Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. This is part of Meguiar's new detailing line that they're coming out to be, you know, that next step from their, you know, what you would normally find at Advanced Auto Parts and everything. They're trying to step away from that and go to a more detailed, professional, focused lineup. So I picked up this Citrus Power cleaner. It works, so it's a versatile formula for interior and exterior use, low foaming and solvent free. It's for carpet, upholstery, plastics, vinyls, and rubber. So you can use it on what we'll be using it for today, which is the carpet inside of your cars, trucks, and all your vehicles. You can also use it in your house on any carpets and rugs that you have inside the house. You can also use it on tires when you get mud on the tires. You just spray it on. It's ready to use from the supplier, so you can see right there, ready to use. Some of them, if you buy them in the gallon format, you have to dilute them. I'm not sure how that works, but pretty much you test a small, you know, area, yada yada yada. What I do is I just spray it, then I get a scrub brush. I can't find my actual carpet upholstery scrub brush. Just a stiff-haired brush works. You just want to agitate the dirt. So I'll be using it in the driver's wheel well. I've never really done these. You can kind of see up there how there's stains and whatnot. You can see where my plastic mats sit. I'm also going to be using a BISSELL spot cleaner. If you don't have one of these, a shop vac will work. It will suck up the solution. With the BISSELL, I've done a review on this as well. Also, all the links to everything that I use will be in the description of this video, so you guys can pick up anything that I'm using. I always include that in all my videos. But with the BISSELL, there is a water side, so you fill this up with water. You can also fill it up with a detergent, but I didn't do that for this video, just to show the full power of the Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. And what it does is it heats the water up. You have different nozzles that you can use to extract the dirt, rocks, debris, all that stuff, and you'll see the finished product in this holder container. This isn't necessary. You can just use the Citrus Power Cleaner Plus by itself, but I just feel like it just sits there and you want to take the dirt away. That's the whole purpose. So I take the extra step and either use a shop vac to suck it up or get yourself a spot cleaner. It's great for inside the house, great on cars. It works amazing. I did a video on it already. I'll put a little card in for you guys to check that out as well. But yeah, let me get right to the video. So you take this spot cleaner and make sure that the sprayer is on, and you just spray it on nice and heavy to the area. And it smells exactly what it sounds like. It smells like citrus. So now that it's in there, you just take your brush and really agitate that dirt. Hopefully you guys can see already. But yeah, just agitate it back and forth. See there. You can already see it's starting to get cleaner already. But that BISSELL really gives it the extra step. Ideally, you would want to shop vac all the dirt and debris out before you do this, but I was kind of lazy for this. The BISSELLs will do that as well, or the BISSELL spot cleaner will do it as well. Alright, now that everything's agitated, it smells good, smells just like citrus. Take the BISSELL cleaner, spraying around. Switch the utensils out. So I turn the BISSELL on. Just like that. Start sucking it up. You can see the dirt that picked up right there. Just like that. Make it nice and clean. Also works just like a vacuum. Yeah, so you can see it right here picking up the dirt. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this driver's side and show you guys this finished result. Alright guys, so I just finished getting this whole driver's side. You can see it looks brand new. All the dirt that was getting sucked up from this head all went right here, and you can see just how dark that is. I mean, this standalone, if you just have it with a scraper, it works great. Smells okay. It's a decent smell, but it does what it's designed to do. It's designed to take those surface stains away and make your carpets look brand new. All I have in this BISSELL, if you want to take it to the next step, I strongly suggest you pick up a BISSELL, as it takes all that, see it, all the water, debris, rocks and everything out from your carpets instead of just leaving it on there. Great users and attachments. All that's in here is some water, heats it up, and extracts it just like that. It's a great great tool to have. Good product if you're, you have a carpet stain, if you spilled some, your kids spilled something or something, and you need something to get stains out of the carpets in your car or in your house. This works great. It also works. I'll show you a little example right here. I have a little mud on my tire, so I will get my tire brush, put this right here, do a little spray, agitate it with the wheel brush, or the tire brush I mean, take a microfiber, wipe it off just like that, and there it is, no longer there. So it does a great job at taking dirt off your tires. If you have dirt on your on the rubber of your car or plastic, you can use it for that as well. But yeah, really happy with the results of this this product. And if you're thinking about picking up something or you need something to take a stain out, I think the Meguiar's, I wonder if it goes by it might go by just the D107 instead of Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. Real quick, it also works on your plastic floor mats. You can just spray it on there. Spray it on. I use the same tire brush. Just spray back and forth. Ideally, you could just spray this off with when you're washing your car, but I'm not washing my car currently. And then take your microfiber cloth right here. You just wipe it off. All right, there's the floor mat all finished up, so it's ready to go back in the car. But yeah, did a great job. Great product. Another great product from Meguiar's.